Hi, I'm Monica from the Homesteading Housewife, and I am here to tell you my top 5 homesteading goals for 2018. Hi guys, it's a nice cold morning, and we are out sledding before the sun comes up because it's going to get into the 40s today and the snow is going to melt. But I thought it was the perfect time to tell you about my top 5 homestead goals for 2018. Number 1 is a new homestead. Right now we live in a tiny 2-bedroom trailer. We are a family of 5. When we bought this, we did not know we were going to be a family of 5. And we have no land. So it's definitely not a good place to do the things that we want to do. So whether that's buy raw land and build, or have a place that already has a house on it and maybe just needs fixed up, we don't know yet. It's just whatever we're going to be able to find and afford. And with that, living off-grid is definitely an option, and it is something that we are really looking into. We really like the idea of being completely self-sufficient, and so even if it's only to some extent at first, that's something that we want to do. Excuse me. So that's number 1. Number 2 are chickens. Now I have 10 hens and 1 rooster, but they're a mixture, and they are in a coop that is not the size that I would like it to be. So I need a new coop, or a secondary coop, because I want to hatch chicks this year. I have to decide which hens I want to hatch, but I definitely am doing that. And then I'll sell, and then what I don't sell, if I have an overabundance of hens or roosters, then I will cull at the beginning of fall, and then those can be our meat for winter and spring, chicken wise. And so I'm really excited about that, and I will definitely be bringing you along for that adventure. Number 3 is cows and pigs. Now, right now, I'm pretty much taking care of 2 properties. I have this place where we live, and then at my grandparents' I have my garden and I have my chickens. So if we were to get a pig before we moved, it would have to be there. But the cow would have to wait until we moved. And we want a milk cow and we want a meat cow because we want to be able to do our own freezer beef and be completely self-sufficient in the meat department as well. So hopefully that's something that we're going to be able to accomplish. The pig, definitely, we'd be able to accomplish that. The cow, it depends on what time of year we're able to move to a new location. Which brings me to 4, the finishing the root cellar. The root cellar that I have currently was one that my grandpa built, and it needs shelves and it needs a door. Other than that, it's perfectly usable. So with that being said, as of right now, if we don't move in time, I'll be using that to store canning stuff, and that's goes with the goal of I need to make it usable. If we move, I'll be building one. So regardless, there's a goal for each situation that I'd be in, and I'll bring you along for that. Where are we at? Yeah, number 5, gardening. I garden every year, but this year I want to be completely reliant on my garden. Last year I came very close. I only had to supplement a couple times with the store or the farmer's market, and this year I want to do it all. I am only going to be doing herbs and lettuces here at my house. Everything else is going to be at my grandparents', or if we move in time, at our new property. With that being said, if we get moved in time, we also want to go ahead and plant fruit trees and berries for next season. So hopefully that stuff works out, but I know it's hard and it seems difficult to have my livestock and my garden at a different location, but I am down there 5 days a week. So to me, it's feasible, and when I'm not down there, my dad still goes down there and checks on my chickens. So I feel very comfortable in the way things are having to be done until we can get our new homestead. So I'm really excited about this year. I hope that you guys stick around because it is going to be a great year of a lot of changes and a lot of new adventures, and I just can't wait. I have such a good feeling about 2018. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.